Hey guys! Kumusta kayo? Lazada recently sent me a package and tinatanong ko kung anong laman niya and they said na surprise daw. So let's open this one and find out kung anong laman niya. Oh my god, it's so cute! Wow! Look at that! May stuffed toy na ako ng Lazada. And may buntot din siya. So cute! And may t-shirt siya ng Lazada. Happy 5th birthday, Lazada! Grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Na-remember ko yung first purchase ko sa Lazada, medyo hesitant pa ako kasi first time kong o-order online. Pero nag-push through pa rin ako with the order kasi meron naman cash on delivery. And I remember computer pa yung gamit ko that time. Pero ngayon may cellphone app na ang Lazada, so sobrang convenient ng mag-shopping online. Minsan nga nakahiga lang ako dito sa kama and I would browse through their items or products. Grabe, I would spend hours and hours kasi ang dami kong gustong bilhin, ang daming pwedeng pagpilian. Pero sobrang enjoy naman. I'm sure you guys can relate to me dahil baka ganun din kayo. And yun, meron pa rin silang cash on delivery. And when you buy, there's no need to register. Pero I suggest na mag-register pa rin kayo kasi sobrang dali lang naman. Okay guys, ano ba ang favorite items nyo na nabili sa Lazada in the past 5 years? Ako yung mga IKEA items ko, kagaya nga yung nasa likod ko, yung IKEA shelf na yan. First time kong magkaroon ng IKEA products, kaya sobrang favorite ko yan. Okay guys, by the way guys, Lazada will have their birthday sale on March 21 to 23 and grabe, sobrang unbelievable ng mga deals kasi ang lalaki ng discount. Like yung Eureka na 0.6 horsepower na aircon na gusto kong bilhin for our kitchen kasi alam niyo naman, summer na and pag nagluluto si mama naiinitan siya kaya bala kong bilhin yun. Ang regular price niya is 6,399 pero sa birthday sale is 5,799 na lang siya. And speaking of pagluluto, bibilhan ko rin si mama nung sleek 25 pieces stainless steel kitchen sets. Ang regular price niya is 3,499 pero sa birthday sale, grabe, 1,999 na lang siya. Ang laki ng nabawas, diba? And for new customers, you can get 100 pesos off when you use my voucher code, which is Lester X Lazada 5th birthday. So, lagay ko yan dyan. With a minimum spend of 500 pesos, you get 100 pesos off. And use this code from March 15 to 23. So guys, don't forget, magkakaroon ng birthday sale ang Lazada on March 21 to 23. Sabay-sabay tayong mag-online shopping. So that's it for this video. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye and happy shopping!